Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to unblock someone in Messenger app. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. First, we're gonna go into Messenger. Then in the upper left corner, we click on the menu. Now we click on the gear in order to go to settings. Here we click on privacy and safety. Next, we're going to select blocked accounts. And we can see here the accounts that we have blocked. In order to unblock them, we need to click on the account. And here we can see that this account is blocked in Messenger and calls. In order to unblock it, we need to click here. Next, we confirm our action by clicking unblock. Literally a few seconds, and as we can see, this blocking function is active again, which means that the person is already unblocked from us in Messenger and can write messages. It can also happen that you have a person blocked completely in Facebook. Then when you go in, you'll see that he's blocked on Facebook and you won't be able to unblock him in Messenger. Because Facebook is the main social network, in order to unblock him in both Messenger and Facebook, we need to click on Unlock on Facebook. Then we select Unlock. A few seconds will pass and we can see that the person is unblocked on Messenger and also unblocked on Facebook. That's how easy it is. You will be able to unblock a person in Messenger. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. See you later.